Let's talk about a Landwick black screen launch fixin' a simple. And come, Wade, we'll go step by step.
But fear not, fellow traveler, into the dark. We're here to guide you through the digital gloom. We're diving deep into the shadow at corners of your to unearth various troubleshooting tips and solutions that will banish that black screen and get you back into the chilling narrative of a Landwick of restoring your adventure in no time. First things first, let's make sure your graphics drivers aren't the source of this digital darkness. Outdated drivers are a common culprit for black screens and performance issues in new games like a Landwick. Head over to NVIDIA or AM's website and grab the very latest version for your specific GPU. A fresh driver installation can often work wonders, clearing the way for your game to launch properly.
Sometimes game files can get corrupted or go missing during installation or updates, leading to launch failures. Open up your game launcher, whether it's Epic Games or Steam, and look for an option to verify game files or repair. This process will scan your installation for any discrepancies and automatically re-download anything that's broken. It's a quick and often effective way to ensure your game is whole and ready to run. If the black screen persists, we might be facing a permissions issue. Try running a Landwick as an administrator by right-clicking its executable and selecting Run as Administrator. You could also experiment with compatibility mod if you're on an older OS. Though it's less common for newer titles, these steps can sometimes grant the game the necessary access to system resources it needs to launch correctly. Modern gaming comes with a lot of extra software running, like Discord overlays, NVIDIA, GeForce Experience, or even antivirus programs. These can sometimes conflict with the Landwick during launch, causing the dreaded black screen. Try temporarily disabling any in-game overlays and close unnecessary background applications before starting the game. A clean launch environment can often resolve these pesky conflicts and allow you to dive into the story.